Interest rates are at a historical low, and one of the questions we often get is, how do we know if we should refinance? Well, here's a couple different things to consider. One is the interest rate 3/4 to 1% less than your current interest rate. Another factor is, are you considering doing home projects, but the equity in your home could be used for those projects? Well, consider a cash out refinance in that regard, so you have that equity back as long as you're planning to stay in the home for a length of time. Another option is to refinance to get a lower interest rate while also shortening the term of the loan. If you have a 30-year loan and would like to go to a 15 or 20-year loan, that's another option for you to consider if doing so will actually save you money in the long term. One thing to make sure you do, no matter what the reasoning is for refinance, is calculate the money you will spend in closing cost to refinance and how many years it will take in savings to make up for what it is costing you. If you have any other questions, let us know. Refinancing is the right move for many homeowners, however, not all of them. Feel free to give us a call. We're happy to have that conversation with you.